Today's video is about health and beauty aids, and let's stock up for a year. Let's get to it. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're doing HBA preps and how to store them up for a year. You don't have to do it all in one day or one trip. What you do is stair step it, and if you got coupons, that's even better. So let's get to it. Toilet paper, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do it for one person and a couple. And you do the math if you got 3 or more people in your family. So toilet paper, you want 2 rolls per person per week. So when I did the math for me and my husband, that is 208 rolls a year. So that sounds like a lot of toilet paper, but when you do the math and everything for a year, 208 rolls is not that bad. Then when you get to bar soap, you want 12 bars. That's 6 bars per person, or 12 bars for the 2 people. And then when you get to body wash, we're going to do body wash since it's like same thing as the bar soap. You're going to want 2 gallons for the 2 people, or 1 gallon per person. Okay? Now with the shampoos, along with the conditioners, it's going to be the same thing. With one person, especially with like long hair, you're going to want 1 gallon per year. So with 2 people, you're going to want 2 gallons. You're going to want 2 gallons of the shampoo. You're going to want 2 gallons of the conditioner. Mouthwash, you're going to want 1 per person per month per mouth. So that's 12 per year per person, 24 per couple. Toothpaste, that's also that's 12 for a couple, because you're not going to overuse it. I'm sure my people out there are not overusing your toothpaste and just wasting it like I see a lot of people doing. So 12 or 6 per person, 12 for a couple for the year. You can actually, if you coupon like at Walgreens and CVS, a lot of times if you know what you're doing and you do the register rewards and stuff like that, you pay out of pocket and you get register rewards back or whatever, and you can roll with it and stuff, and you get like toothbrushes, dental floss, and toothpaste for free. I mean, I'm just throwing that out there, and you can rack up this faster. Just putting that out there. Anyways, I don't have toothbrushes and dental floss out here, but just letting you know, toothbrushes and dental floss, I would say have you change out your toothbrushes every 6 months. So that would be 2 per year per person, or 4 per couple. The dental floss is like 4 for the year for a couple, so it's 2 a year. Unless you really go crazy with the dental floss, then I would say stock up more. The wet wipes, the flushables, baby wipes, whatever you use, is 12 packs a year per person, so 24 packs for a couple. I get these. There are baby wipes. There are 120 wipes in this pack. It's pretty thick. Unscented, hyperallergenic for $1.99. You really can't beat that price at Walgreens. Excuse me. Just throwing that out there, because that's a top-notch price. Just, you know, if there's no water, no way to get to water, you have a way to wipe your hands, wipe off, you know, take a little bath if you need to with them, if you have to. Q-tips and the cotton balls right here. Usually come, or at least they used to. These are 300 and 300 in the pack and bag. There usually are 2 to 3 bags for the couple. If it's just you, you might just get away with just a pack a year. Since it's 300 now, if you get less, then it's going to undoubtedly, you might want to get 2 packs and stuff. But if you get to 300, then I would venture to say, if it's a couple, definitely get 2 to 3, depending on how much you clean your ears and what all you do with your Q-tips and cotton balls. Deodorant, 1 per person per month. So that would be 12 for an individual, 24 for a couple. So, like I'm saying, just stair-step it. If you can coupon, you know how to coupon and roll rewards and stuff like that at like your CVS's and Walgreens and all that, then you even got a better head start. But stair-step it, you don't have to go out and buy all this. Also, like your laundry detergent, I say 1 gallon per person per month. So that would be 12 gallons per person per year, or 24 gallons per couple. Toilet paper. The toilet paper right here, like I said, is 2 rolls per person per week. So that averages out 208 rolls per year. That can be a lot of toilet paper, and that can be really scary to a lot of people when they do the math. But it's attainable, especially if you know how to coupon and stuff like that too. So like I'm telling you, this is for a year's worth, how to stock up and stuff, what the average or estimated, what I say, when I did the math of ours, this is what the average of me stocking up for a year's worth, putting on the shelf would be. Also, another health and beauty aid would be hairbrushes and combs. Try to get 2 per person, whether they use a hair comb or a hairbrush, in case one breaks. If you got thick hair and everything, you know how they break easily. And also, I would say your feminine hygiene products. It is best up to you. You know how your body is, your consistency, how you use them, and if you just use them for your flow, or if you have contingency problems or whatever. Stock up. We had that tampon shortage not too long ago also, so you do the math with what you use per month and times it by 12, and anybody else in the house, get with them. Either they can buy for them, or y'all have to work together to see how much you can buy for a year. There you have it. HBA, Health and Beauty Aids, stocking up for a year. It's attainable. You can do it. I know prices are increasing. It seems impossible, but it's possible. You can do it. Couponing, rolling rewards, whatever. Little by little, when you go to the store and you buy one thing, get an extra if it's on sale, like 2 for $5. Go ahead and get that second one, because you're saving money doing that. Sales are a big thing, so make sure you're checking out those sales. Nothing wrong with couponing. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about us. We love having you here. God bless, stay safe, and we'll see you on the flip side.